each time the Philippine Competition Commission, we should be working double time dito, no? As well as the DOE asks for an unbundling or for a specific enumeration of their costing. Walang 16 na items yan eh. Yung cost ng fuel, yung insurance, yung freight, yung transportation, yung kanilang premium or kanilang profit. Nire-refuse nila yung reveal eh. Because ang sinasabi nila, this is proprietary, this is a business secret, na kapag sinabi namin, malalaman ng mga kalaban namin, ay hindi na kami, malalaman nila ano yung aming advantage. Ang sagot ko parati dyan are two things. First, government should have the ability to assure the private sector that these matters are confidential and will be confidential. Number one. Number two, oil is a public good imbued with deep public interest. Hindi ito bihon, hindi ito donut, hindi ito kung ano. Langis ito. It affects every strand or every fabric of society. So, kung ikaw ay magninegosyo dyan, tanggapin mo na there will be public disclosures that are necessary. Hindi ito bakery eh. Hindi ito gumagawa ka ng tinapay. Langis ito. So, importanteng malaman ng ating regulators how and you price yourself so that the regulators will know, are you excessively profiteering? Yun lang naman, Maricel Jovi, ang gusto nating ma-determine eh. Pwede kang kumita, but you cannot excessively make money.